What's up, fam? Today I'm going to be going over how to do a reverse tricep pushdown. And this is the reverse tricep pushdown. Using the underhand grip by performing this exercise allows you to target the lateral head of the tricep. Keeping the elbow locked and tucked close to the hip allows you to maximize the tension on the tricep. And the primary target of this exercise, the tricep brachii. Like explained earlier, keeping the elbow locked close to the hip is very important when it comes down to keeping the tension on the tricep. The overhand variation of this exercise allows you to target both the medial and the lateral head of the tricep. Alright, fam, and that's how you do a reverse tricep pushdown.